Hello and welcome to a short tutorial on how to use this Photoshop template to produce on Solano College's dye sublimation printer and heat press some pendants or earrings. I do want to point out that the pendant does come with a small little hole at the top here. And also you can print on both sides of the pendant. So this Photoshop file is set up with basically just one layer at the top of a stack. It says your design is coded in red. I want to point out also really quickly that I do not have a cluttered workspace. From Window, I have only opened up my tools and my layers to show you this tutorial. So I do want to point out that in this layer, it has been clipped to a mask that's sitting below it, which means that if I were to get my brush here and start brushing, it would only apply that to the area that's revealed in the mask. Now, if I were to add a color adjustment layer to this and click OK, I would also want to, you can do this up here as well. With that layer selected, you can create a clipping mask. And then because that layer is set to normal, you're not going to see the scribble that's below it, but just change that layer state to multiply and you will see that. You could also move it down and do it this way. But basically the thing you need to remember is that anything above the mask needs to be clipped to the, it needs to be clipped to this layer right here. So make sure that when you're done designing your pendant, you want to save your file as a PDF. And to do that, you go to File and you go to Save As, and you're going to go to Save as a Photoshop PDF and save your work and submit it.